Not every setup you take is going to work out. And it's not because you're wrong. It's just because there's no such thing as 100% in the market. Let's take a good example. Today, I took a trade based on my strategy completely, uh, and it didn't work out. And it wasn't because it was a trade that I shouldn't have taken. This absolutely was a trade that I should have taken per my strategy and my rules. It just didn't play out. So let's take a quick look here. 5-minute chart on ES, and you can see where we're getting a really nice support at this level here. You can see VWAP moving up really nicely with it. VWAP held support here. We held here. So I placed a limit order right at the bottom, right at the support here. Price came down, picked me up, and almost immediately moved in my direction. Now, again, there's no such thing as 100% in the markets, and it just didn't play out for me. Really good setup, good trade, something that I cannot even be upset about taking because it's just the way the markets work. Some of them are going to work out for you, some of them aren't. And you have to be okay with taking a loss and mitigating your drawdown, your where your stop is, so that you can continue on trading, right? That's the whole point of this game, is to expect losses but mitigate your drawdown so that you can continue trading. And that's exactly what I did here. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see a little better. Trade picked me up, moved in my direction. I was able to move to break even before the trade turned on me and ended up taking me out. And it would have ended up stopping me out. So not only was this a good trade to get into because it was based completely on my strategy, but I also executed the trade well, and well enough to where I didn't lose any money here. And ultimately, it did turn against me. I would have been stopped out, and then the trade went in my direction, which is what happens to almost every brand new trader out there, and they can't wrap their head around it. Sometimes it's just the market, it's not you, right? Sometimes if you have a strategy that works for you, take the trades when the opportunity presents itself. If it works, fantastic. If it doesn't, hopefully it's just a small stop and you didn't lose much so that you can continue trading and wait for that next setup. That's trading. When you get there, hopefully you'll become successful. See you guys in the next one.